How to reset your chart on TradingView? Are you guys facing issues to reset your chart on TradingView app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your device. Once you open the TradingView, now log in into your account with your own registered email and password. After you get logged in, now right click on your chart. Now tap on Settings. Once you click on Setting, now the left side where you can see this template icon, click on Menu and tap on Apply as default. Now click on OK. Once you click on it, your chart will be reset, and that's it guys. That's how we're going to reset our chart on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.